beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and for today's video I'm sharing with you guys this glowy summer no foundation makeup look. That's right, I'm not wearing any foundation right now, just a little bit of concealer, bronzer, and blush. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this no foundation makeup look, make sure to stick around. Also make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe for more future content from me. Let's go ahead and jump into today's tutorial. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Morphe concealer to prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to buff that out using a Morphe M173. Next, I'm going to use my Morphe Sunset Beats palette, and I'm going to go into this gold shade right here using a Morphe M167, and I'm just going to pat that onto my lid. Next, I'm going to go in with my big fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M504, and I'm going to go into this brown down here, and I'm just going to blend that into and above my crease. Now I'm going to go in with Heart of Gold from Dose of Colors. I'm just going to use my finger to apply this and tap it on top of that Morphe shade. Now I'm going to use my color switcher and go in with my M504 just to clean off that excess brown that might be on there. And I'm just going to blend that a little bit better now that I've put Heart of Gold on there. Now, this is normally where I would go in with my Milk Hydrator Primer, but today, because I want to keep the skin like really glowy and nice, I'm going to go in with my Pharmacy Honey Grail. This is an ultra hydrating face oil, so I'm just going to put a few drops around my face to get a new one of these. I'm going to let that face oil just sink in just a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I just like to comb them out using a little spoolie. And then I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. So I wanted to keep the brows pretty natural, so I didn't fill them in too much, just, you know, just a little bit. And now I'm just going to set them in place with a little bit of brow gel. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and conceal my under eye area. This is the Dose of Colors concealer in the shade 22 Dark. And then I'm just going to blend that out with a wet beauty sponge. And now I'm just going to set my under eye area with the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Cream Bronzer. This is in Teddy, and I'm just using a Real Techniques brush. This is the Real Techniques 200 to apply that bronzer. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Morphe concealer, and I'm just going to kind of like highlight. Just going back with that beauty sponge to do so. Now I'm going to go in with my Fenty Cream Bronzer. This is in Summertime Wine. I just use my fingers to apply this as well. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Oma Beauty highlighter in Barbados, and I'm just applying this with a Morphe 510. Now I'm going to set my face using the Hourglass setting spray. This is like my new favorite setting spray, guys. And the reason I chose to go in with this one is because it's supposed to leave your skin looking radiant. So I wanted to lock everything in place without like mattifying it, and I wanted to have that like glowy look all day. So that's why I went with this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my eyes. I'm gonna go with a little bit of liner. This is Dark Roast from Dose of Colors. Just a really nice dark brown color. And now I'm going to go back into my Morphe palette and dip into this brown shade here using a Morphe 213. And I'm just going to apply that to my outer corner down here. Now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And to finish up the eyes, I am going to put on lashes because I just want a little bit of length. So I'm going to use my Ardell Naked Lashes in 421. And then last but not least, we're just going to go into a little bit of gloss. This is Just Because from Dose of Colors. And what I love about this gloss is that it's just kind of like my lips but better. But alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this like glowy summertime no foundation makeup look. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also leave me a comment down below letting me know any future videos you would like to see here on my channel, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.